Hey. Hi, I'm just here today. And I was just wondering, do you think this is cute? Oh, crap. If you did, you're mean. Do you think this is cute? This is my favorite face. Aren't I so adorable? I'm so sick of you. I'm nervous. Oh my god. Look at that cute boy over there. Oh. I didn't do anything. I wanna eat my cat food. I hate it. That cute boy there just got married. Okay, well, this is my little sister who always wants to be on air. Hi, everybody. I was just wondering, do you think this is cute? I can do a man's voice. I want to see my owner.
Oh my god, you're so ugly.
Yeah, I bet you like him. Check this out. No, this is my owner, actually. Yeah, no, let's go back to me. Wow, I know, I'm so adorable. You can say that what? But if you do say it too much, I'm gonna have to punch you. Well, my sister wants to talk to you guys, so here we go. Well, yep, that was my little sister. For your information, she's kind of stupid. Hey, I heard that. No, I don't really care. Okay, well, I feel weird because... Oh, wait, let me just kiss my boyfriend first. Okay, sorry about that. Well, look how cute this is. Oh my god, the world. Oh my god, that thing is scary. Well, if you think this is cute, then you're so mean. This is my brother.
Oh my god, you guys are so weird. I mean, like, you guys are posting each other on YouTube.
Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, well, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, bye. Well,